Hello guys! Today, you will learn about the most accurate 5-minute scalping strategy. This strategy is very simple and it does not require a lot of experience, and most importantly, it makes huge and consistent profits. It works in all markets with high level of daily volumes such as forex, crypto or stocks. But before we start, make sure you don't skip any parts of this video. Otherwise, you won't fully understand this strategy. Okay, let's jump into it. We are currently looking at the price of BTC USD on a 5-minute time frame. Before we add our indicator to the charts, let's switch to the candlesticks from Japanese to Heikin Ashi. Okay, for our strategy, we are going to use 3 indicators. For the first indicator, we need to type in black flag and select it. Okay, we need to access the setting on the indicator. And in the style section, do you like the video? And in input section, let's change the ATR prior to 15 and change ATR factor to 4. For the second indicator, we will search for trend lines with the breaks by Lux Algo. Go to setting and change length to 30 and a slope to 1.6. And for the third indicator, we will add UT bot alert. By the way, I changed the setting. Okay, our strategy is complete. Now let's get into the trending rules. So the long is confirmed only when we have these conditions met. First, the UT bot alerts our trend lines with a break issue and new buy signal. The second is the plot must be green. Once we have these conditions met, we can safely enter a long position. Okay then, now let's understand the sell position. So first, the UT bot alerts or trend lines with breaks issue and new sell signal. Second, the plant must be red. Some examples for long trades here. We see the indicator give us a buy signal, but the plot is red. So we wait for the plot to turn green and then we open position and take profit target will be 2 times the risk. Here we have some buy signal and the plot is green, so we open position. Now the indicator gave us a sell signal, but the plot is green, so after red plot appear, we open sell position. As you can see, the price falling so sharply. In this example, you must set the stop loss above the big candle. In the following, we will have a tip along with another indicator to complete this strategy. If the price breaks the trend line and makes a pullback and creates a candle with a suitable body, we can open a position. As we can see, the price break the trend line and pull back to it, so we can open position. Again, the price break and pull back to it. Before we move on the full indicator, if you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Okay then, first remove the black flag indicator. And type machine learning. And select this one. As the names indicate, it is based on a machine learning algorithm. Now go to the setting, remove everything except plot and buy and sell. So when the red label appears, it's selling signal, and when the green label appears, it is a buying signal. Sometimes we have signals that the label is a little bit darker, so these are confidence weaker signals. I hope you enjoyed this video. Wait for the next posts.